Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Ali Sikandar. Now I am going to explain MCQ based preliminary test MPT for competitive examination CSS 2022 of subject Everyday Science. Let's get started now. Question number 148. To clean the ice from the roads during winter season, which of the following is used? Option A, chlorine, B, salt, C, iodine, D, none of these. Correct option is B, salt. Question number 149. Which of the planet moves the slowest around the sun? Option A, Venus, B, Mercury, C, Jupiter, D, none of these. Correct option is A, Venus. Venus takes 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis, making it the slowest of all the planets. Our Earth is extremely tiny in comparison with our Sun. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, circling it each 224.7 Earth days. Question number 150. The lifespan of red blood cells in human is option A, 120 days, B, 125 days, C, 130 days, D, none of these. Correct option is A, 120 days. Normal human red blood cells have an average lifespan of about 120 days in the circulation, after which they are engulfed by macrophages. Question number 151. How much fluids one day a man should use? Option A, 2.7 liters, B, 3.7 liters, C, 4.7 liters, D, none of these. Correct option is B, 3.7 liters. The US National Academies of Sciences, Engineering and Medicine determined that an adequate daily fluid intake is about 15.5 cups or 3.7 liters of fluids a day for men, about 11.5 cups, which is equal to 2.7 liters of fluids a day for women should use. Question number 152. Vitamin A creates deficiency in human body. Option A, hair fall, B, rickets, C, night blindness, D, none of these. Correct option is C, night blindness. When the cause is a lack of vitamin A, treatment involves adding more vitamin A to the diet. Vitamin A is found in milk, eggs, carrots, spinach, tomatoes, cabbage, mangoes, papaya, lentils, butter and cheese. Question number 153. The waves which are used by the TV remote control are option A, infrared waves, B, radio waves, C, TV waves, D, none of these. Correct option is A, infrared waves. Question number 154. Which of the following gas is used in refrigerator for cooling? Option A, methane, B, ammonia, C, nitrogen, D, none of these. Correct option is B, ammonia. Question number 155. Which of the planet moves fastest around the sun? Option A, Venus, B, Mercury, C, Jupiter, D, none of these. Correct option is B, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and the closest to the sun. Its orbit around the sun takes 88 Earth days, the shortest of all the sun's planets. Question number 156. Which instrument is used to measure the oxygen level of the blood? Option A, thermometer, B, oximeter, C, spirometer, D, none of these. Correct option is B, oximeter. A thermometer is an instrument that measures the temperature. A spirometer is an apparatus for measuring the volume of air inspired and expired by the lungs. Question number 157. Which type of vitamin is useful for human body through sun? Option A, vitamin B12, B, vitamin A, C, vitamin D, D, none of these. Correct option is C, vitamin D. Question number 158. In which of the following country equator passes? Option A, Pakistan, B, Malaysia, C, Kenya, D, none of these. Correct option is C, Kenya. The equator is an imaginary line around the middle of the earth. It is halfway between the north and south poles and divides the earth into the northern and southern hemispheres. The equator passes through a total 13 countries. They are Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Sao Tome and Principe, Gabon, Republic of the Congo, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia, Maldives, Indonesia and Kiribati. Question number 159. Which of the following lenses are useful in a microscope? Option A, convex lens, B, concave lens, C, curved lens, D, none of these. Correct option is B, concave lens. Question number 160. The instrument used to measure the rainfall is option A, barometer, B, hydrometer, C, nanometer, D, none of these. Correct option is D, none of these. The correct answer is rain gauge. A barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. A hydrometer is an instrument used to measure the specific gravity or relative density of liquids. A nanometer is used to measure things that are very small. Question number 161. Which light is more important for photosynthesis? Option A, violet light, B, red light, C, green light, D, none of these. Correct option is C, green light. Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize nutrients from carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis in plants generally involves the green pigment chlorophyll and generates oxygen as a byproduct. Question number 162. The instrument which is used to measure the blood pressure is called option A, spirometer, B, barometer, C, sphygmomanometer, D, none of these. Correct option is C, sphygmomanometer. A spirometer is an apparatus for measuring the volume of air inspired or expired by the lungs. A barometer is a scientific instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure. Question number 163. Which blood group is rare in the human body? Option A, O, B, AB positive, C, AB negative, D, none of these. Correct option is C, AB negative. There are 4 main blood groups A, B, AB and O. Your blood group is determined by the genes you inherit from your parents. Each group can be either Rh positive or Rh negative, which means in total there are 8 blood groups. Question number 164. World is divided in how many time zones? Option A, 12, B, 18, C, 24, D, none of these. Correct option is C, 24. We have 24 different time zones in the world because the earth rotates 360 degrees every 24 hours. Each time zone is 15 degrees longitude apart from the other. If we divide 360 with 24, the answer will be 15. The prime meridian defines the center of the first time zone in the world. This means the prime meridian time zone spans from 7.5 degrees west to 7.5 degrees east. Then the next time to the east spans 7.5 degrees east to 22.5 degrees east. Question number 165. Which of the following is the warmest ocean? Option A, Indian Ocean, B, Pacific Ocean, C, Atlantic Ocean, D, none of these. Correct option is A, Indian Ocean. Question number 166 and last is vitamin B exists in option A, fruits and vegetables, B, seeds, C, seafood, D, none of these. Correct option is B, seeds. Thank you very much for watching SEC Learning Academy.